So friends, let's see today's lovely recipe of Kanda Bhaji or onion fritters. So here I've taken about 6 medium-sized onions, washed them well, peeled them, and I'm going to cut them into thin slices like this. And then just separate them and put them in a large bowl like this. So cut them lengthwise into thin rounds like this. Separate them and keep them aside. Here is a little closer look and a slower look. So for beginners, you can just cut them like this. So I've slowed down the video, and then just crush them like this. Separate all the onion like this. And then we're going to put them in a large bowl. So I think 6 medium-sized onions should be fine. If you want more, then you can double the quantity. So now I'm just going to add some salt to taste. So roughly about 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to mix everything really well. And then we're going to set this aside for 15 minutes. And what the salt does is it, helps the onion to release, the onion juice or some kind of water from the onion. And you see after 15 minutes, the onion is completely wet. So that's what we're looking for. Now I'm just going to add a pinch of ova or ajwain. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon or a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now you can adjust this according to your taste. If you want it more spicy, then just go with a 1/2 teaspoon more. If you want it less spicy, then only use 1/2 teaspoon. And now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour. So just sprinkle it over the onion mixture like this. And then mix everything really nicely together. And then you're just going to add about roughly 4 tablespoons of water. You shouldn't have any of the dry chickpea flour in your bowl. And the mixture should not be too wet. It should just be, just the right consistency, not too watery or not too dry. And then you're just going to heat up some oil and you're just going to deep fry these onions. These onion pakoras or these bhajis till they're nice and golden brown in color. Let them fry well on a low to medium flame. The oil also should be nice and hot. And let them become nice and dark golden brown in color and nice and crispy. And then just drain them on some kitchen towel so the excess oil, you can get rid of the excess oil. So just put them in this manner. And let them fry really nicely. And your onion bhajis are all ready. You can have this with some lovely green chutney or some tomato ketchup. This goes amazingly well with a hot cup of tea or a hot cup of coffee. So I hope you liked today's quick and easy recipe. I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita signing off. Take care guys. Bye.